High up in the cold desert of Himachal Pradesh, where the roads cling to the mountains and the skies feel endless, lies a hidden world, Spiti Valley. From the quiet charm of Sissu, where waterfalls tumble down sheer cliffs and the Chandra river flows gently by, our road to Spiti Valley begins. Ahead lie high passes, barren mountains, and stories carved by the winds of time. The road leads us through dramatic landscapes, across high mountain passes, until we reach one of Himachal's most breathtaking jewels, Chandrataal Lake. At over 14,000 feet, the moon lake shimmers like a piece of the sky fallen to earth. For centuries, it has been a place of legends, a silent witness to travelers and shepherds who found peace in its crystal waters. Some say the lake changes its colors with the shifting sun, from deep blue in the morning to emerald green by noon and silver under the moonlight. Encircled by snow-dripped peaks and vast meadows blooming with wildflowers in summer, the lake feels otherworldly, almost untouched by time. The view is cinematic, towering mountains stretching to the skies, with the river winding gracefully at their feet. The contrast of raw, rugged cliffs and the silver ribbon of water creates a scene that feels straight out of a film. The road carries us further into Spiti's heartland, until we reach Langza, a village perched high at nearly 14,000 feet. Overlooking this tiny hamlet stands a towering statue of Lord Buddha, gazing calmly across the valley. Set against a backdrop of snow peaks and vast skies feels timeless. Just beyond Langza lies Komik, one of the highest villages in the world connected by a motorable road. Here, life moves slowly, in harmony with the rugged landscape, where ancient monasteries and simple mud houses remind us of a world untouched by modern rush. And from here, one of the region's most remarkable engineering marvels awaits, the Chicham Bridge. Suspended high above a deep gorge at nearly 13,500 feet, Chicham Bridge is the highest suspension bridge in Asia. Stretching 135 meters across, it connects the remote villages of Kibba and Chicham, making life easier for locals who once had to rely on a dangerous rope pulley to cross the gorge. It's a breathtaking spot for travelers, offering dramatic views of the canyon below and the vast mountains all around. Then we make our way to one of the most iconic landmarks of Spiti, the photogenic Kamru Monastery. Perched on a hilltop at over 13,500 feet, its whitewashed walls and tiered structure blending beautifully with the mountains. Centuries-old Kamru Monastery is not just a place of worship, but also a window into the timeless spiritual traditions of the Himalayas. As we travel further, the landscape begins to change once again. Amidst dramatic rock formations, almost carved by nature itself, stands the beautiful Dhankar Monastery. Perched precariously on a cliff at over 12,500 feet, Dhankar once served as the capital of Spiti. It feels like a monastery in the sky, a place where history, spirituality, and the raw power of the Himalayas come together. The monastery itself is believed to be over 1,000 years old. What makes Dhankar truly special is its position, clinging to the cliffs like a guardian of history. It has survived earthquakes, storms, and the passage of time, yet continues to stand as a symbol of resilience and devotion. One of the most peaceful halts on this route. You know the best place on the way to stay? It's the beautiful lake village of Nako. Nestled at nearly 12,000 feet, Nako is like a hidden oasis in the mountains. At its heart lies the serene Nako Lake, surrounded by willow and poplar trees. It's a place where the dance of clouds and mountains creates a new scene every hour, keeping travelers spellbound in its quiet beauty. And finally, the last stop of our Spiti road trip takes us into the lush green folds of Sangla Valley. After the stark desert landscapes of Spiti, Sangla feels like a paradise of apple orchards, pine forests, and the sparkling Baspa river flowing through its heart. Here, history comes alive at Kamru Fort, an ancient wooden fortress that once served as the capital of the Bushahar kingdom. Close by, the Baspa Dam adds another layer to the valley, a modern engineering feat set amidst timeless natural beauty. At the end, we realize Spiti is not just a destination, it's an experience. Spiti leaves you humbled, inspired, and dreaming to return again. Thank you for watching this video.